Alright guys, we're going to continue learning about how to use our email. I know our last video was a little bit longer than the normal, but email is a little bit more involved than most of the other things that we're doing. So now we're going to learn how to actually use the email that we have set up. Look at that, just about every video this thing tries to tip over and fall. Need to find a better way to prop that up. Anyways, so you have your mail, you go ahead and you're just going to touch it. Now before we go into it, I want you to notice here there's a little red number 17. That little red number is going to pop up on different things throughout your device. You'll see that on my Facebook and over here and on my apps. It just means that there's something new going on inside. So if you have messages and text messages and all that kind of stuff, anywhere you see that little red number, doesn't mean anything bad, just means you have new stuff waiting for you. So go ahead and touch your mail. You'll go inside, and there's all kinds of different stuff right here. This is an ad from Big 5. I just showed you guys some spam, I guess. You've got all these symbols up inside here. It tells you how many you have, where you're at, this little up and down area and all kinds of stuff. We are going to start with this. It should say something like all inboxes, the top left hand corner. And you go ahead and hit that, and this is going to give you a list of the emails. You see it's kind of superimposed over this other guy here. And you can just scroll around and find different emails. Anything with a blue dot next to it means that you have not yet read it. One of my fellow YouTubers here, Yankee Marshall, sent me an email, so I can go in and read that if I wanted to. Now, while you're inside here, you notice there's this little arrow here that says mailboxes. You can go back on there, and you have different options. I have 2 email accounts actually set up through Gmail, and it gives have these numbers here. This tells me how many emails are in each of those. And if I wanted to view this email, I can go in and see exactly what's in specifically that mailbox or in that mailbox. So if you want to separate things out, you can. I find it is much easier just to go to all inboxes because you can manage everything all at one time. And what it does when you hit all inboxes, I'll go back and do that one more time. All right, so you go ahead and select that. It's going to give you a chronological list of emails from all the various inboxes that you have. So you can just manage them all at one time. I prefer to do them together. You may prefer to do them separately. So go ahead and pick whichever one you want to do. But do keep in mind, if you do decide to go with one over the other, if I check just my Gmail here, I can go into my inbox. Whoops. I can go into my inbox and just see what's inside there. If I want to see what's in my other email, I have to go back. And I have to go back again. And I have to select the other one, and then go into its inbox and then go through it. So you'll notice that there are a lot more buttons you have to push if you're going to do them separately. So I think all inboxes is easier. You guys tell me, let me know what you think.